we have a new circuit. This is a trip alarm circuit using transistor and buzzer. So we have also resistors and then this indicator LED. So and we're using a USB 2-pin header as a supply. For this project, we're using USB power bank 5 volts for the USB. Okay. You can see here in the circuit, there is a small wire. Okay. That is the trip wire. If we're going to trip that wire or break that wire, the alarm will turn on. We can hear the alarm. Okay, if you're going to trip it, this is the wire. So we inserted the wire again to the circuit. So every time we break the wire, so there is a circuit or the alarm goes on or turns on. We can hear the alarm whenever we break the wire or we trip the wire. For example, like this. And this LED turns on. Okay? Let us trip the alarm again. We now have the circuit, figure 1, tripwire security alarm using transistor. This is the schematic diagram. So in here we are using transistor. What kind of transistor? BC547. This is NPN type. Collector base emitter. Emitter to the ground. And then where is the buzzer? The buzzer is connected to the collector and to the 5 volts. 5 volts is our supply. This is power bank. Power bank. And then this one is the indicator. LED red. So you can see if we trigger the alarm, it also turns on this red LED. Connected to the collector, then to the 5 volts. And into the base of the transistor, we have two resistors that will comprise the voltage divider. So this is a voltage divider biasing of the transistor. So where is the trip wire? Trip wire. It is connected here. This is the trip wire. these two dots and this line. Initially, or at the start of the beginning of the circuit, it is connected to the ground, the tripwire, between the ground and the 1K resistor. So if this tripwire or this wire is connected to the R2 and to the ground, buzzer turns off, also the LED is off. Why is it off when tripwire is connected to the ground? Because we need the voltage here between the base to emitter of around 0.7 volts to turn on this transistor. So to switch on this transistor, we need the 0.7 volts here, base to emitter, so that the current flows from the 5 volts to the output side of the transistor, causing the buzzer or the alarm to turn on, and then the LED. So when it is connected to the ground, this tripwire, there is not enough voltage to turn on this transistor. It is around 0.4 volts only when this 1K is connected to the ground by a tripwire. 1K connected to the ground with this tripwire. The voltage across base to emitter is 0.4 volts. But we need 0.7 volts to turn on this transistor. Since this is voltage divider biasing, so we are dealing with we need to have this 0.7 volts between base to emitter of the transistor to switch on this transistor. Whereas, when we cut the wire here, or we trip the wire, or break the wire, so 1K is no longer connected to the ground. Remember, emitter, then this ground, they are connected. Once this 1K is no longer connected to the ground, it is now hanging. So the current now flows from R1 and then to the base, switching this transistor on. Or we have now 0.7 volts that is needed to turn on this transistor. Once this transistor turns on, switch on, current now flows into the output side of the transistor. So what is the purpose of this transistor? Serve as a switch. It turns on because this collector to emitter now is as a close switch, or will act as a close switch. Due to that, switching the base to emitter on, switching this base emitter on, current flows into the LED. Current limiting resistor for the LED in order not to burn this LED. Then collector to emitter, then to the ground, causing this red LED to turn on. And since the tripwire is has been cut or removed, current also flows here. So there are two current that flows here, one from the buzzer and then one from the LED. Okay. And then since this transistor act as a closed switch, due to it is on, current now flows into the base and then the collector to emitter to the ground, causing this buzzer to alarm, or this to serve as an alarm, or turns on the buzzer, sounding the buzzer on. Remember that the buzzer it has a polarity of positive to negative. And this buzzer is rated as 5 volts. So you can buy a buzzer that is 5 volts. Voltage rating of the buzzer is 5 volts. So there are many different types of kinds of buzzer. There is 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts. But in our case, we are using 5 volts buzzer. So it will turn on this buzzer, goes turn on the alarm at the same time with the LED, because the current flows into the two branches and then collector to emitter. Then this transistor serve as a switch or close switch, or goes on saturation, because of we are now having the 0.7 volts across base to emitter. Remember that this is voltage divider biasing. But since we don't have this 1K, it is now the 10K that is supplying the current to the base, because this R2 is hanging. It no longer supports the circuit. It is almost it is not connected. Current flows from 5 volts to 10K and then base. So there's a current now flows here. And if we're going to connect again, connect the tripwire here, the buzzer turns off. It will turn off the buzzer and the LED, because once we connect this 1K to the ground, there is not enough voltage between 5 base to emitter. And I measure it is only 0.4 volts, where the voltage across 1K is the same as the voltage across base to emitter of the transistor. This is the measuring, we can measure the base to emitter at the same time with the base, the voltage at the R2, that is equal to the base of the base, voltage of the base to emitter of the transistor, which is not enough to turn on this transistor. But if we trip the wire or cut the wire here, again it becomes open, or we're not the wire is no longer connected. Again, the current flows into the 10K into the base. Whereas if it is connected to the ground, the current, we have this voltage divider, voltage here plus the voltage here. And if we're going to measure the voltage here, it's not enough to turn on the transistor, it will turn off the buzzer. Okay? But if we cut the wire here, it will turn on the transistor.